Here is how to clear cache and junk files from Windows 10 or 11. Cache files accumulate on your computer over time, slowing it down and taking up space. To free up space and resources, you can clear these files, and there are several different steps to follow. So let's get started. Click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and type in run and open the run command. Or you can also press Windows plus R on your keyboard and this will also open the run command. Here you need to simply search for temp and hit enter. Select everything and delete it. After that, again open the run command and search for %temp% and hit enter on your keyboard. Select all and again delete. Now type in prefetch and hit enter on your keyboard. Again select everything and delete. Follow the same steps as we did before. You can also close the applications using those files and try again or skip them. You probably have more files than shown here as this process was recently completed on this computer. So close the folder and click on the search bar again. Search for cleanup and select disk cleanup. And you can also go for other options like recycle bin or temporary files as well. Then select OK and select delete files again to confirm. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to complete and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.